If we have a room like this where we have, let's say, a living room and a kitchen combined like an open space, because we're not having two completely separated rooms, what can we do? We could use the manual scan and scanning these two areas as two rooms, and we combine them. We start with the kitchen, I would say. So we insert a room and select the manual scan. I'm gonna start down here. So we need to move the iPad, deactivate the wall mode, and we start with this corner. Now I go ahead. Take your time. You can see when a corner has been recorded, like here. You can also help yourself with the miniature at the bottom of your screen on the left, so you can see if a wall has been drawn straight or maybe if you need to redo it. Once we complete the room, we scan the ceiling. From here, we scan the other part of the room. Wall mode deactivated, and I start from the same corner, and then I go ahead. Same thing, you can also see if you have something hiding your corners. It's not a big deal. You simply go ahead from corner to corner. Here we go. Then we continue. It's pretty simple actually, right? So here you see that you don't really have to go super close. And we go back to the last corner. Voila. Now we point at the ceiling and we are done. Now we would like to complete our open space. So we assemble the two rooms that we just scanned. Here we go. We zoom in a bit. Now I select this wall because I don't need it, so I'm going to remove it. And now we move to the other side of the room and we want to add an opening here. So we tap on Insert Object, now Doors, and here it is, the opening. Let's have a look in 3D. And then you can add all the details that you need. You can also add the window on this wall, and we can complete the kitchen.